Today we're looking at the Arlen Ness Monster Sucker Chrome Air Cleaner Kit. This isn't one of those tiny wimpy filters. This is a big air cleaner, and that's by design. Here's what you get in the box: the Monster Sucker housing, the high flow filter element, mounting hardware, and gaskets. Everything looks well made, no flimsy bits hanging around. The housing itself has that classic Arlen Ness look, bold, sharp, with plenty of surface area for airflow. The filter element feels robust too, not cheap or thin. What this kit does is let your engine breathe better, because more air in equals a better throttle response and power, especially when you pair it with a proper tune. Installation isn't crazy complicated either. It bolts right into your stock location, hardware is included, and everything matches up cleanly. With the chrome finish and aggressive design, it also instantly adds some visual punch to the bike, even before you start talking sound or performance. So if you're looking to upgrade the intake on a cruiser or bagger, this is one of those parts that's easy to install and gives you attention from the moment you slide up to a stoplight. Grab it today at DennisKirk.com.